Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on quick upload on TikTok. This feature is pretty cool, so let's just get straight into it. I'm going to open up TikTok. Then once you're on your home page, tap your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Then you want to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right hand corner. Then from here we want to tap on settings and privacy, and the option we're looking for here is the privacy option. So tap on privacy. And then if you look near the middle, it says quick upload right over here. What this feature does is it allows videos to pre-upload during the creation process to improve upload speeds and so on and so forth. So to toggle it on, just turn it on like that and make sure it's green, and then quick upload will be enabled. Then you can go back and begin uploading your TikTok videos and so on and so forth. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.